Okay, apart from someone who is working on a UI design, if we want to say create some sketches, wireframes, etc. for icons, for graphics, for illustrations, and any other form of design, we can use Freepik's AI toolset. There are a lot of other AI toolsets, but this is a unique new tool that can truly accompany different styles, different tools, different softwares into one place. So as you can see, if I scroll down, there are various purposes I can use this tool for. One good one is sketch to image that literally allows you to draw and converts it into an illustration or an image that depicts real life. It can be used to reimagine an existing image, an existing portrait, or whatever it is. And it can be used to generate images just like you would do with DAL-E and other AI tools. You even have additional things like AI image generator for Figma, which runs inside Figma, really cool, and a presentation maker, which can help you create presentations out of your designs. So if you, at the end of the day, when you're trying to present your designs, this can be super helpful as well. In this place, we can use sketch to design. Sketch to image, we'll choose this. And of course, it will give us a little tutorial. You can skip this or go through it. As you can see, they have already created a nice little illustration for us, a good way to show it as an example of what you can create. Here, for example, I add, say, a little bit of grass. As you can see, it's creating something green at the bottom. It's not exactly looking like grass. So this is probably the only limitation, that you can't explain what you're doing. But if you add a little more, it will start like turning this into a green base, which looks so good. You can do the same with You can even do the same with things like icons and shapes. You can even do the same thing with icons and shapes. They've already created a bunch of icons here for you. If I wanted to say add the moon here, I could just click on it and it would add a moon to this design. Okay, it's treating it like a jellyfish because it's close to the jellyfish. Very smart. I can obviously make this small here, and as you can see now, it's created it into a moon. It's understood that it's a moon, and if you want to show it in the sky above, it can be seen in the sky above. Looks cool already, and it kind of also looks fit and also kind of fits with the whole aesthetic of the water as well. You can even upload images, etc. Any asset that you might have created already can be done here, and it can be enhanced by clicking on this enhance button as well. So you can turn it into a high quality, high fidelity design instead of just a basic sketch or basic design that it might have created. You can always create something new by clicking here, but I just wanted to show you the different powers of this little tool and how a basic sketch like this can be tweaked, added, and you could even add your icons and illustrations here, and it will turn it into a realistic sort of depiction or even an artistic depiction. And also at any point of time, export it, play it, do whatever you want with it.